We're going to peel the 2 halves, and we're going to cut them up for our Ninja Creamy apple pie ice cream. Can't wait, it's so good. So once you got both peeled, we're going to cut them into little squares. I use 1 Golden Delicious and 1 Red Apple. I can't remember the name of this one, but it smells good. Okay. Garbage or disposal. I'm going to place a teaspoon of this butter into a skillet, then place all my apples in that skillet with some Swerve brown sugar. On medium heat, I'm going to put my butter in, and then I'm going to place all my apples inside my pan. I'm going to cook until caramelized and a little softened. Okay, there's my 2 teaspoons of my Swerve. And 2. I'm going to sprinkle on my cinnamon. And I'm going to add a little bit of apple spice. I'm going to lower the heat a little bit. And until we're pretty much caramelized and done. Smells like apple pie already. I'm going to cook these for around 3 to 5 minutes. They're now done. I'm going to place them to cool in my bowl. In my pan, I have 1/2 teaspoon of butter and a tablespoon of brown sugar. I'm going to make my own caramel as a sauce. I'm also going to throw in some oats, 1 tablespoon of oats to give it a little crunchy. I'm going to constantly stir because I don't want to burn the brown sugar. Now I'm going to add a little bit of heavy whipping cream. That's going to thicken it and make it a thicker sauce. I'm going to lower the temperature to low and let it simmer. It's probably more than what you need, but you could always make more than one apple pie creamy. Yummy. Four ounces of Fairlife milk. Ooh, a little over. It's okay. Just subtract it from the other 4 ounces you're going to need at the end. 1 scoop of the vegan protein powder, 3.7 grams. Half of our apples that we cooked on the stove. The other we're going to use as a mix-in later. 2.5 grams of xanthan gum. Good enough. Using our Mercer blender, mix until well combined. Add a little ground cinnamon and a little apple pie spice. I'm going to pour in the last 4 ounces of our milk. There we go. And once again, I'm going to blend with my Mercer blender. I'm going to add some of our caramel into it, just to blend some in. And it's already getting hard. Nice. Put a little bit on top. Those I'll use at the end. And a little bit of our brown sugar caramel with oats. Freeze for 24 hours. Okay, it's set for 10 minutes. We're going to put it in the Ninja Creamy container. Get this lid on. Place it on our Ninja Creamy. And Miss Madeline is going to hit the light ice cream button. We're going to let it spin. And we're going to come back to it.
Action.
All right, we're going to check how it looks. And it's probably gonna have to go in for another spin because it's still got that grainy look, right? Mm-hmm. So one more time?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Close it. Put it in.
And then Maddie's gonna hit the respin.
Yeah.
Bam.
I hold it and then I put it in the
Did you?
Action.
see how it looks now. Let's see. Does that look done?
Yeah.
Yeah? You got your spoon? You ready to try with me?
Got my spoon.
You got your spoon.
Thank you.
Okay. You ready to dig in?
Mhm.
It's apple pie, remember?
Mhm.
Try it. Let me see. Is it good? Is it really good? Yeah? You'd eat it again? Okay. Let me try. That is good. You like it? All right, how many thumbs do you give it?
100 thumbs.
100 thumbs. All right, thanks for watching our YouTube video. Like and
Subscribe.
yeah. Say bye.
Bye.
Apple pie.